In the vast expanse of the cosmos, galaxies collide, stars are born, and mysteries unfold. But what if we told you that the James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered a cosmic event so rare it challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe's early days? Introducing the JWST Quintet, a spectacular merger of five galaxies, observed just 800 million years after the Big Bang. Using the unparalleled power of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have spotted an extraordinary cosmic event. This isn't just any galaxy merger, it's a five galaxy collision, a phenomenon so rare that it's rewriting the textbooks. Located approximately 800 million light years away, these five galaxies are bound together by a massive gas halo, forming new stars at an astonishing rate. In the early universe, galaxy mergers were expected to be rare. Most interactions involved just two galaxies. But the JWST Quintet defies this expectation, providing a unique glimpse into the universe's formative years. The implications of this discovery are profound. It suggests that large-scale galaxy mergers were more common in the early universe than previously thought, potentially influencing the formation of massive, quiescent galaxies. The discovery of the JWST Quintet is just the beginning. As technology advances, future missions will delve deeper into the cosmos, uncovering more secrets of the universe's past. Who knows what other cosmic wonders await our discovery? Stay tuned as the universe continues to reveal its mysteries. The cosmos is vast, and our journey to understand it is just beginning. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the universe's most fascinating phenomena.